Here he is in nature, first time. Culley's 7 months old. And you really get to see their instincts take off when they're in nature. You're going to see their instincts come alive. What you're also seeing is genetics too.
Yeah. So tell him.
There you go. Nice.
Go sit.
Don't heel and then sit.
Go sit.
No, turn around, honey.
That's all right. No, you sit. So sit there. That's fine.
Well, Mark needs to face me.
Oh, okay.
So Mark needs to.
Are you trying to take a picture? Okay.
Honey, turn around.
Okay. Go up.
Get him on your left side. Whatever.
That's okay.
Oh. Is your phone up? I don't think your phone is sensitive to my wood. Whatever. Go, babe. Go. Go. Hi? Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, because he's being nosy with everything.
If you really want to be like do some really fun stuff,
Yeah.
to go up and down the ravines with him. So he climbs up because there's going to be muscle memory that forms when he's like, and also, so here's one thing I do with all my dogs. I'll show you something here.
What's that?
One thing I do with all my dogs, and it helps build like problem solving ability, is I have him. Now I would probably wait till he's a little bit older, because his joints are still really, they're really kind of fragile still. No. So you got a big ravine like that, and he's got to climb up. There's going to be obstacles. There's going to be logs in the way.
Find the smartest way.
He
Go
does.
Tree this way. Here, we can go right
And what the whole point of dog training, guys, is that you want to work past the dog's threshold, right? You don't want to just be like, a lot of times people say, well, he's afraid of this, so we're not going to do that.
There you go. He's thinking.
So even like jumping over stuff, like he's learning agility. This is a natural way that these dogs can gain some real skills. And the more experience he has, the more stable he will be, because the more confidence he's going to have,
Yeah, he's so cute.
So even that, like so you come out to a place like this, it's going to be awesome for both of you guys.
Yeah, and he loves it because his brain is at work.
Yep.
Babe, he's loving that damn wood.
His brain's at work, his instincts are at work, his like,
Yeah, everything's
who,
lit up right now.
yeah, everything that the whole ancestry of this dog is coming alive right now. So,
So, let's see, babe. Call him to you. Let's let him figure
Come.
out his own way back to you.
Come.
yeah, say yes.
Yes. Come.
Good
Yes,
boy,
yes.
good boy.
Yes.
So see that?
Sit. Good boy.
You see what this stuff does? So I want to take you guys somewhere else too.
Come on, let's go. Good boy.
You guys going up?
Yeah. Come.
Because I always like to hear, because the deal is this, like in terms of like building bonds with the dog, it's about what you guys go through. It's about what you guys experience together, right?
Yeah.
With the alertness there.
He's looking for daddy. Say daddy, Cole. Say daddy.
Yeah, that's good. Yep.
Good boy, Cole.
Find me, good boy. Good. Feel like we're got lucky. Yeah. So far.
You see him constantly look back at you guys.
Yeah. Oh, you got a beat? Oh, you got a beat? No.
So a lot of these guardian type breeds, they have a natural instinct to protect you, right?
Yeah, he does.
He keeps looking for you guys. Yeah, he's like, where are my peeps at? A lot of the hound dogs, though.
Where's my biracial parents?
Interracial.
He's a red bone.
Oh yeah.
He light skin. He's on team light skin.
Right?
So is his mama though. She's Carmel.
Yeah, he got most of his colors.
You got to
from
get a
his
dark
mama.
one, so you got to have a dark skin one.
Right.
Fuck, he trying to-
You got to name that dog like you got to name that dog. If you get a girl, you got to name him Tamika or something.
Oh, hell no.
She's gonna be a Kinsman girl.
Keisha.
Keisha, Kinsman,
Kanika.
Miles and Harvard chick.
Yeah.
No, I know like a big South African boar bull would be named that. Like some big dieseled up like.
Mark had a dog named Tasha.
Yeah.
Was
She
it
was
Mar-
black though, like Natasha off of the. They were all black off of the. It was a cartoon. What was that cartoon? Secret Squirrel.
Okay, yeah, I know what you're
Back
saying.
in the
I know
day,
what you're
Natasha was the evil. Like.
So look at this. See what he's doing here?
saying.
He sees something. Yup. Now out here, you got to be a little careful because sometimes there are other dogs. So just kind of.
Keeping my ears open for
Yep.
any other
My finger is ready.
sign of life, so that we can keep an eye on.
So I would constantly recall him when he gets a little far away, just so that he you know kind of like has in the back of his mind like, hey, once I get past this point, once I get past this point, they're recalling me all the time.
Yeah. He
Sit. Good
Well, he don't
boy.
really
He
listen.
don't want to sit on this
Well,
shit.
why,
He don't want to
he
sit.
ain't listening too fast.
I don't
I
think he
wouldn't
wants
make.
to
I
sit
don't
in
really
this
want him to
yard.
sit because he might be. He ain't cold, but I don't want his booty to.
Won't that confuse him though if we don't complete it complete? I don't know. Does that confuse him?
I don't know what his little bow legs.
Yeah. His back legs, boy.
Those are tall legs.
Yeah.
He's like a 15-year-old.
Yeah.
He got his height, but he hasn't grown into his body.
Size his
Yeah.
ass.
He looks real gangly. Yep.
He's developing good though.
But I like the fact that he's like doesn't want to be too far away from you
Well, I
guys.
think she just
I
gave
just
him a
did it.
little,
Okay,
Yeah, I
good, good.
did. But
little
he's
zing.
he was starting to get excited, but he
Yeah,
does
let him,
still
babe,
wait
let him
sometimes.
get some space.
Okay.
Go ahead, let's see
Yeah.
what happens.
Okay. All right.
So the first ravine, if he's cool, if you guys are cool, I'll go down and up with him so you guys can see what I'm talking about.
Right
Like,
down in there?
not here, but like let's go here.
Well, you've been over here, Aaron. You know where you're going. Right?
Oh yeah. This is a nice sized part. Now the West Woods, which is a little bit closer to you guys. It's more. It's like I think it's out near 306 and 87.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's even
The
bigger.
one that goes right along 87. You
Yep.
can actually see people walking
Mhm.
in the woods right along.
Yeah,
that's the one I
that
was
place is
talking about.
awesome.
This is what color needs.
So,
Yep.
all right, well, we need
Snake
to,
wouldn't
babe.
have made it through here. She would have been dead over
No, I
there.
come down here. I come down here 2 hours minimum a day. I have to.
Every
It's
day?
oh yeah. It's just for my own good and my
Yeah,
dogs too.
it's
But
a stress reliever.
oh,
It resets you. Mark always, we definitely got to get out there because Mark always wants to go. So.
Well, I like to hike. I like nature.